Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I hope you are doing great. I am going to share more than useful information relevant to IELTS General and IELTS Academic test, which you will deal on 6 July 2019. I have recently uploaded a video relevant to 13 June, which was 100% correct. It is more than essential that do not focus only on these topics. Practice as much as you can, because practice makes a man perfect. But pay specific attention to these topics. I'm sure that if you practice on these topics, it will help you to score higher in a real test. So watch this video till the end in order to make yourself well aware relevant to 6 July 2019 IELTS test. First, we will go through the listening section, then we will discuss reading, and then later on we will discuss writing section. In listening, section 1 will be easy. Don't worry about that, be relaxed and try to score higher in section 1. Section 2 will be easy. Don't worry about that. So try to score higher in section 2 as well. Section 3 will be tricky, which will irritate you a bit more as compared to the first two sections. So here you have to be active, you have to stay focused, and if you miss any blink, don't worry that time, don't waste your time, and try to skip that question, and later on you will deal that. So section 3 will be tricky, and be very active in section 3. Section 4 will be moderate. Again, you will be able to score higher here. Now, it's your duty that how you will practice, and mainly on how many type of questions you should practice. So I'll suggest you that you should practice on multiple choice question, map, and table completion. If you practice more on these three type of questions, you will be able to score higher in real test. Because in every IELTS listening test, multiple choice questions are there, table completions are there. So be very specific that time. Try to practice more on these three topics. Overall, listening test will be moderate, so don't worry that much, but practice. Again and again, I'm telling you that practice. So, because practice makes a man perfect, and practice is the key. If you practice more, you'll be able to score higher. Now first we'll go through academic reading, then later on we'll discuss general reading. So in academic reading, passage 1 will be easy. So don't worry about that and try to spend 12 to 15 time on reading passage 1. Reading passage 2 will be moderate. So means you have to spend at least 18 to 20 minutes and be very specific. Don't waste time whenever you are unable to find out the answer of one question and you stay there and you are thinking, so you are just wasting your time. Try to skip that question and start another question. So it will help you to find more answers. Passage 3 will be tricky, and passage 3 will irritate you more as compared to the passage 1 and passage 2. So try to save time for passage 3. If you save time for passage 3, you will be able to score higher. And here you have to practice more on list of headings, yes, no, and not given, matching information, sentence ending, multiple choice question, and no more than 2 words. These are the type of questions which you will deal in your real test on 6 July 2019. So practice more on these type of questions, and I'm sure that if you practice more on these type of questions, you will be able to score higher in real test. Do not ignore these questions, because these are the most frequently asked questions. If you just read, or if you just practice, so during your practice you may have noticed that in every test you deal true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, and these type of questions which I'm going to suggest you that I'm sure that you will get on in the real test on 6th July. So be very specific. Practice as much as you can. So it was about academic reading. Now we will discuss general reading. Then we will discuss academic writing. In general reading, passage 1 will be easy. Don't worry about. Passage 2, again, you will get that easy. So you will be able to score higher. And passage 3 will be moderate. It will, keep in mind, it will not be tricky, it will be moderate, but you have to practice. Means you have to practice for reading passage as well. Because general reading, that is, means much easier as compared to academic reading. So don't worry. And practice on true, false, not given, list of headings, summary completion, multiple choice question, and one word. Means there will be a type of question that no more than one word. So means in IELTS general reading, you will get these type of questions which I have suggested. So practice more, means as much as you can. So means instead of true, false, not given, you can also practice on yes, no, not given. But keep in mind there must be list of headings, summary completion, multiple choice question, and no more than one word. So now it's your duty to practice on these topics. So now we'll discuss academic writing. Academic writing task 1 means you may get a topic, pie chart, bar graph, line graph, or process. But in this means on 6th July, the chances of process and line graph are more as compared to pie chart and bar graph. But you have to practice on all these four. Means you have to learn 3 or 4 or even 10 words relevant to each topic. So it means during real test you will not face any problem. You will be able to write in a fluent manner. And if you have rich lexical resources, you will be able to score higher. Means it will help you to secure your desired band. So practice on these topics because you got much time, and learn words as many as you can. General writing means in general writing task 1 you will get task 1 will be formal letter. So you will deal means a formal letter, and that letter will be relevant to complain or a request. Means you received a bad service and now you are going to write or you are going to register a complaint. So means there is 2 type of letters, formal and informal. So means if you get any type of topic, so means it's your duty that you have to learn at least 5 to 10 words relevant to formal letter and 10 words relevant to informal letter. So if you get any topic, you will be able to use that. You have to write at least 180 words, which will help you to score, and means which will be able to score higher, and that will means help you to secure your desired band. So it's your duty that you have to write at least 180 words in your IELTS general task 1. Academic writing task 2 means the topic will be relevant to health, globalization, pollution, and technology. So it's your duty that means to learn words and phrases relevant to these topics. If you learn phrases and words relevant to these topics, it will help you means to impress the examiner in a rewarding way, and you will be able to score higher in IELTS writing tasks. In IELTS general writing task 2, you may get a topic, education, unemployment, domestic problems, and money. So it's your duty that it's your duty to practice on these topics. Learn words, 10 to 15 words relevant to each topic. Practice means on the words which you have learned, and means try to write a few sentences on daily basis relevant to these topics. So it will help you to score higher in your IELTS upcoming exam. Thank you for watching.